Hi guys, welcome back to Hanging Out with Lori. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I am excited. Today is our Ipsy unboxing. It was requested that I unbox my monthly Ipsy so you guys can see what I've gotten in my bag, and then after the unboxing we will have a separate video with me using the items that I received in my Ipsy bags to make a look. I do get the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I do not get the Plus every month, but I do get the Glam Bag every month. The Glam Bag, I believe, is $12 a month if you pay for it on a monthly basis. I paid for it for a year, so I could be wrong. I do know that it used to be 10, but I think they've raised it to 12. And then the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size items in the Glam Bag Plus, where in the Glam Bag you just get 5 deluxe size items. I failed to mention the theme this month is The Future Is Yours. They did change how the Glam Bag Plus works this month, where you pick 3 of the items and then they pick 2 of the items for you. I'm going to, this one is the Glam Bag Plus. And this month they've switched over to these drawstring bags for the Glam Bag Plus, which I'm excited about. I would rather have these drawstring bags because they're just a little more handy than cosmetic bags. So I'm excited that they switched over. This is what this month looks like. It's this beautiful dusty pink, almost a rose shade. Now I did get some add-ons this month, but I'm not quite sure which ones are which. So I'm just going to show you what I have. And my bag overfloweth. I got this Pearl Lace Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. It is a gel cream. I think it's like a moisturizer, I do believe. And I think this was one of my add-ons. I am obsessed with anything watermelon scented this summer for some reason. So when I saw this, I had to get it. I do know this item was an add-on. It's a deluxe size sample of Briogio's Be Gentle, Be Kind avocado, kiwi, and mango moisture superfood mask. My hair is so stinking dry right now. I wanted to try this and see if it would help in any way. So I am actually going to be using this as soon as possible, because if it does help, I may purchase a full size of it just because my hair is so stinking dry. This is 2 cream eyeshadow sticks. They say they're a 24/7 eyeshadow stick, but I'm not seeing names on either one of them. So let's just swatch them. This one looks like it's a champagne shade. You can barely see that. And then this one looks like it's more of a copper shade. So those are really pretty. It's beauty for real. So one of the items I picked was this Wander Beauty Clear Brow Gel. I do like Wander Beauty and I love clear brow gel, so I was glad to pick that up. Another item I picked up was this Pixie by Petra eyeliner, and I believe it's a burgundy. I need to take off the plastic though. But I think the color is burgundy. I am not seeing a name on this pencil either. Maybe it's because I'm blind as a bat, but I will put the name down below if I can find it out. But I do believe this is a burgundy eyeliner, and I did pick this one because I like burgundy eyeliners. I'm not sure they look good on me, but I like them, and so I did pick this one up. It's very pretty. It is a matte, and it looks more maybe burgundy. I was gonna say like a dark mauve, but it could be burgundy. What do I know? What do I know? Ipsy picked for me this 111 skin. It's a cryo ATF sports booster. I'm not quite sure what that means, to be honest. ATP sports booster. Is it like a serum? I'm confused by this, but I would assume it's like a serum because it comes in one of these metal dropper bottles, and the coloring is beautiful. It's like this dusty purple, so you can't see, there's no exposure to the sun for whatever's in there, so I'm going to assume it's a serum of some sort, but I have no clue, to be honest. And I received this Thrive Cosmetics their Beyond Lash Extensions mascara. I believe this is a tubing mascara, if I'm correct. I have heard lots of people talk about this Thrive Cosmetics tubing mascara, and I've heard really good things about it, and I've heard not so good things about it. So if you have used this mascara, please leave me a comment down below what you think of it. This is in the shade Bryn, which they say is rich black. I am excited to try this. I am not familiar with tubing mascara, so I'm not quite sure if it works the same. If it has to be used differently, I may have to pass that on, which will be unfortunate. Then the last item I picked for my Glam Bag Plus is this eyeshadow palette. It's the Venice Fling. It's a collab by Bailey Sarian and Estate. I don't know who Bailey Sarian is. I'm hoping I'm saying her last name correct. I like the packaging with the palm trees and the beach on it. And this is what the palette looks like. We have these big sized eyeshadow pans. Since there's 9 of them, let's swatch them. So that's the Venice Fling palette by Estate and Bailey Sarian. That's a pretty palette. I'm in love with that yellow. Now let's go over my Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is what the cosmetic bag looks like this month. It's this holographic vinyl. And one of the items I received were 2 sheet masks. They are by the company Juice Up. I don't know them. I received the pumpkin mask, and then they're taped together, and then the tomato mask. So I'm not sure what they do. They don't say, you know, if they're hydrating, revitalizing, anything like that. It doesn't say. So I'm going to have to try them out or pass them along. One of the two. I may pass them along, but one never knows. The other items I received in my Glam Bag is this H2O Plus Refreshing Gel Moisturizer. I'm excited to try this. I received this Bubble Tea Peach Iced Tea Body Cream. So that's exciting. I'm hoping it smells good. I've never heard of bubble tea. Have you guys? I received a Kiss and Smink lip crayon, and I believe it says the name is Meritas, but I could be reading that wrong since. Let's swatch it. I love lip crayons. I'm a huge lip crayon fan. So, oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It's like a rose. The one item I picked was this Tatcha Illuminating Dewy Skin Mist. It's just a tiny little guy, but I wanted to try it since I really liked the other Tatcha items that I have tried this year. So I did pick this. I did have 2 add-ons. Both of them are skincare. The first one I got is just a deluxe size by Tony Moly. It's their Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum. I'm always looking for a good eye cream, and so I wanted to try that out. And then I did purchase a full-size bottle of Sunday Riley's Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I'm not sure. I'm hoping this will be hydrating enough for me, but I'm not sure about it. But I wanted to try it, and I thought for the price, it was a really good price for a Sunday Riley product. So those are the items that I received from my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you get Ipsy, what did you get? Anything exciting? Make sure you look out for the video using the items from my Ipsy bags this month. So the items that I will be using in my Get Ready With Me is this Venice Fling eyeshadow palette by Estate and Bailey Sarian. I wish I knew how to say her name. The Tatcha Illuminating Dewy Face Mist, Kiss and Sminks Lip Crayon, the 2 cream eyeshadow sticks by Beauty For Real, Pixie by Petra's Beautiful Burgundy Eyeliner, and then the Brow Gel by Wander Beauty. So it's very eye heavy this month, and that's okay. But we also have a lip and a face mist. So I'm excited. I like the items that I picked up this month. I think they're going to be nice. I think I will enjoy them a lot. So, and I really like this bag. I already know what I'm going to use it for. So I'm glad they switched to this. So that is it, guys. Please be safe, be smart, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.